in El Salvador, Misamis Oriental, the Divine Mercy Shrine is one of the most visited pilgrimage sites in Mindanao, towering 50-foot statue of Jesus as the Divine Mercy. Set on a peaceful hilltop, visitors are required to follow a strict dress code. Shoulders and knees must be covered, but shawls and skirts are available at the entrance if needed. A place of prayer, peace, and panoramic beauty, the Divine Mercy Shrine is a must visit in northern Mindanao. Hello mga lason! So narandiriron sa Divine Mercy no, sa El Salvador City.